This is review number 5. The Magician's Apprentice destroyed custom 12 Doctor Sonic screwdriver build. So yes, this is custom. I didn't make this entirely myself. I'll tell you exactly how I made it a little bit later on. So that's enough because it doesn't have any packaging. So let's get on to the Sonic itself. So this is the destroyed Sonic screwdriver, and as usual I will start from the bottom and work my way up to the top and go to features and all that. So let's get started on this. So the end cap is the basic bronze colour and does contain some physical scratches and some little black marks and stuff. Moving on to the handle section, this also has some scratches and marks too. I've even gone into detail on where the handles actually got marks with the copper bracing of here, and the claws too, just slightly outstretched. Moving up to the emitter, and the claws, one claw snapped off whilst the other one's melted backwards, and the emitter is frosted and also melted with an expanding the core there. Now yes, this is a character options toy, and yes, I did put it over 1,000 degrees of heat, and yes, I did scratch it with a knife, and yes, I did draw all over it in marker pen. But I'm really surprised about this. It actually still works. Yeah, the emitter and the sound still works as perfectly, even though I held it over an 1,000 degree flame, which is just amazing. And this still works. The frosted LED. Can still access the secret features, and everything still works fine. The LED still works. The only thing is it doesn't retract, but that's okay. So this finished product, I'm actually very happy with it. And yeah, it doesn't look exactly like the thing, but it's quite close, and it does for my series too. So thank you for watching. This is all that we have. So thank you so much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.